If you've been wondering how to enable ChatGPT in Microsoft Edge, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple steps to get ChatGPT set up in Edge so you can access it more easily while browsing. This is a great option if you want faster writing help, quicker answers, or an AI assistant right inside your browser. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, go to the Microsoft Edge Add-ons store. You can do this by searching for the Edge Add-ons store in your browser or by using the direct link in the description if available. This is where you'll find browser extensions that can add extra features to Edge. Now, in the search bar, look for a reputable ChatGPT extension. There are a lot of options out there, so take a moment to choose one that looks trustworthy, has good reviews, and comes from a reliable developer. This is important because you want a safe extension that works properly and protects your browsing experience. After you find the extension you want, click on it to open the details page. Read the description, check the permissions, and make sure it does what you need. If everything looks good, click the Get button. Edge will then ask you to confirm the installation, so go ahead and click Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, you may see it appear in your toolbar or under the Extensions menu. Depending on the extension you chose, you might need to sign in or complete a quick setup step before it starts working. Follow any on-screen prompts, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT should be ready to use in Edge. At this point, you can test it by opening the extension and asking a simple question or using it on a web page. If the extension includes a sidebar, pop-up, or shortcut, try that out to make sure everything is working smoothly. And if you ever want to manage it later, you can go back to your extensions menu in Edge and adjust the settings whenever you need. So that's how to enable ChatGPT in Edge in just a few easy steps. It only takes a moment, and once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time while browsing, researching, and writing. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.